Hello guys, how are you all? This is Prashant. So I welcome you all to this talk. Today we are going to do the joining of the tables in MySQL. It is the last topic, okay, of this SQL chapter. Then we have the joining with the Python with the SQL. That will be the next topic when we will do on that topic that time I will discuss with you. Okay. So here is the joining of the two tables. What is the meaning of joining? When we have the two tables and we want to join on a particular condition, we want to join both the tables on a particular condition and fetch some data from that particular condition, that is called the joining. Okay, so here we are going to start. What is the joining in SQL? It is very easy topic, not a complex topic. So for that I am going to use my table EMPL and the salary, because EMPL is my main table. So I am going to show you. Select asterisk from EMPL. So you can see this is my table. This is this data I have in this EMPA table. Okay, and the salary, I'm going to use my up and down key to repeat the commands. Okay, salary. So you can see this is the data. So you can see this is the main table. I created this table from this original table, so that you can see here. Okay, so let's suppose these are the two tables which I want to join and which I want to show the details from these two tables. So how will I do that? So first of all, what you have to do, you have to write down a select asterisk from. Means you are going to select all the rows, all the details from both the tables. From both the tables means which table you want first, that you can write down first. If you want salary first, then you can write down salary first, and if you want EMPL first, then you can write down EMPL. But now I am going to fetch the details where EMP number is equals to EMP number. Okay, EMP number is equals to EMP number, means from both the tables I want to check wherever the EMP number is getting equal from both the tables. Means here 1 2 3 5 7, if it is 1 2 3 5 7 from this table, if it is going to call, so it can be represented by this function condition. But now it will make a confusion which EMP number is from which table. So I must clear here salary dot EMP number and EMPL dot EMP number. Make it sure, my dear students, that you have to remember that dot operator is used to call the things. So you are putting a dot here, that is very important. So now termination, and you can press the enter. Okay, here I made a mistake. Okay, I made a mistake in the spelling of where, so I'm going to change the spelling of where, WHERE. So here you can see the spelling mistake was there only, so that's why it was showing the error. So you can press enter. So now it is detail 1 2 3 5 7. The employees which is in the table salary, it is fetching the details of all the details of that table. But it is complicated, you are not able to understand. So just now I want to tell you how you can make the link. I am going now, we can filter the data according to our opinion. Okay, so my main purpose is to tell you the things. So first of all, we can understand this command. Select asterisk from means we are going to select all the columns of salary table and the employee table where the condition was salary dot employee number equals to employee dot EMP number. So you have to understand this thing. Okay, now after that, let's suppose why to write down salary every time? This is very complicated. If you want to reduce the time, then you can write down salary object as S, employee object is E. So wherever you will use the salary, you can use S dot, and wherever EMPL you can use E dot. Okay, and this will provide you the same output. So I'm going to press the enter. So you can see both the outputs are similar. Okay, both the outputs are similar. This thing you have to remember. But now I want to make a condition. I want to fetch the details only employee number, employee name, and the employee number, employee name from the salary table, and the rest the details from the EMPL table. So here we are going to start. So how will you do that? Select. Earlier we used the asterisk, but now we are not going to use asterisk. So what we have to do here, S dot EMP number. Okay, S dot EMP number, comma S dot EMP E name. These two columns I want from this table. What about the others? Next, you can comma from another table E dot E dot, I want the um, job and the hire date. E dot HIRE, hire date. You can see on the table job and the hire date. I want this only from which table? Salary, comma, salary object is S, and comma, EMPL object is E. Okay, where now you have to put the condition where I'm going to use where in the next line, where S dot EMP number is equals to E dot EMP number. Okay, now termination, I must check once more the spellings, and I'm pressing the enter, so you can see the details. EMP number, EMP name from the salary table, jobs and the hire date from the EMPL table. So I think this is clear to you, clear for everyone. So these are the things that you have to understand. Okay, now the next thing, I'm going to use a one order by clause for you peoples. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use now order by query. Here I'm going to give the space order by hire date. Order by hire date. Order by means, I think you all are familiar with the order by descending order or ascending order. Okay, so you can understand what is that, ascending order or descending order. Okay, I'm going to use ascending order. HIREDATEOR. Okay, spelling mistake. Order by ORDER. Order by hire date. Okay, sure. Press enter. So now you can see this order by date. Just now I used another condition, order by clause, with this. So I think these things are clear to you, everyone. Now I am going to tell you another way to join the tables, in which you have to write down the keyword join. Okay, so what I am going to do, select asterisk from EMP salary. I am going to use similar one, salary, comma, salary, no need to put the comma, SALARY, salary, enter, join EMPL. You have to write down. Now you want to select all the columns of the salary and you want to join EMPL with, on the basis of SALARY, salary dot EMP number equals to EMPL dot EMP number. This will generate the basic table which I showed you in the beginning. This one table it will generate, but you can make the changes. Here you can give the columns names, here you can give the employee columns names, so like that you can generate. Okay, but this I want to show you, means you can go with this also. If you are facing any issue with the previous command, you can go with this also. So this is the another method to join the table. I think this topic is clear to everyone. I hope it will work for you, and you will be able to understand what is the joining of the tables. So it is the thing that I want to tell you. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy the video. Thank you and have a nice day.